What? What are you doing? Oh, this is not the magic arm. This is not the magic arm you're thinking, guys.
Scott's Viewers, welcome back. Today it's K&F Concept time. Send me two things to look at. One is super cool. One is not that really excited to talk about, but they're pretty nice because you're always going to need a pair. Cloths, special cloths, but I'll get in that in a second. It is about this guy. Look at this, the magic arm they call it. Didn't know what this was when they sent it to me, but I sure do like it, and I've used it several times, and it's going to be pretty much always in my bag because look how small it is. Look at it. Just look at it. Can you look at it? Look at it. This mechanism up here locks everything down, but you basically twist it right here. The two clamps come together, locks that and locks that. So everything's locked down. Both ends come with a quarter screw. So let me take this off, put it on my DJI Action 5. Comes packaged just like this. So you have the clamp here, and then you have the magic arm. So both sides are the same. When you lock it down, again, everything locks down. Quarter screws on either side. You can do whatever you want with this arm. So think of all the stuff you have for camera gear, what fits in a quarter screw, what other things you can use to clamp, to put on a car, skateboard, just to find a different way to mount things. Of course, you have the clamp here. Let's see how far it goes out. What's that? 2¼ inches. 2¼ inches open up all the way. So, good clamp. Don't have to use it if you don't want to. You can just use the magic arm. You could do something like this. This is the Insta360 arm that I got. It's a little bit old. I could easily screw it on the bottom here. Put the clamp on the bottom here. Have the arm extend this out to even further reach if I want to put a GoPro or an action camera out far as I can, Insta360 camera, out far from, let's say you're on a cruise boat, you want to get way away from the boat, you want to do like a time lapse, but you want to get that far distance away, you can do something like that without getting in trouble. Maybe, I don't know, every cruise boat's a little bit different on what you can do. I guess they wouldn't like the big stick hanging over the side, but it can be done for a little while till you get in trouble. Extend it out with the 360 camera, an X5, X4, X3, whatever you got, but you need the magic arm. The best part of it is the one mechanism here that locks everything down. And then you can store it like that. Look how small it is. It can fit anywhere in your bag. That's the main thing. Again, I'm going to be using it with my Action 5 mostly to get different shots. This is what it does. But the main thing that's different here is that I don't have to tighten one thing, tighten something else, tighten something else. It kind of gets a pain in the butt. 9.8 magic arm super clamp. Put that away. We're going to discuss the microfiber cleaning cloths. Sometimes you get a lot of these cloths thrown into different packages. When you get your screen protector for your phone, you may get a little cloth in there. Your sunglasses, you may get a cloth like that, a microfiber cloth. But this is a little bit higher grade. These are 200G high density cleaning cloths that can clean glasses, electronics, like their screens, cameras, and lenses. So let's kind of like get one out. It's got the little logo on it. Almost when you first, feels like almost like paper a little bit, like real thick, like money, but a little bit thicker and softer. So I guess nothing like money. My phone, get a nice good cleaning right here. So I won't scratch the lens. It cleans off the fingerprints or whatever you muck you get on your lenses. But this pack is a pack of 12, and I'll put that on the screen right here. So right now on Amazon, this pack of 12 showing to be $15.99 with a 20% off coupon. Really nice. So if you need some high quality cloths to clean your stuff, one in your car, one in your bag, wherever, you have that here. So thanks K&F Concept for sending that out to me. What is this? You're asking yourself, wow, you look dapper today with this nice, cool sweatshirt or V-neck. It is cozy. So all jokes aside, I've been using this probably for 3 months now. I haven't done a review on it. Very soft. That's what this one is. But this is not one of the ones from TexTale that repels water. It's not that. This is more of the cozy style feel, quarter zip. and it is nice. It has some huge pockets on the side here. We have dual. So I put a cell phone, I could put a I could put the camera in here. You bet I could. Big, huge pockets for all your gadgets. Yeah, you can even put the arm in here. If you were walking around setting it up, put that in there, you would totally forget about it. But that's the Cozy Quarter Zip from TexTale. I do have a coupon code, something like if you spend $100, you get $20 off. So see that down below in the description. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching Scott's Reviews. I know there wasn't that exciting with stuff, but K&F sent me that. I love their products. I wanted to put this video out real quick, but stay around for the next one and we'll talk about some more cool stuff. All right.